Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I will show you how to set up OBS for streaming. First open OBS Studio. Then from the top menu, go to Tools. Then go to Auto Configuration Wizard. Now there are three options: Optimize for streaming, Optimize for recording. If you want to streaming, select Optimize for streaming. Recording is secondary. Then click Next. Now select the resolution of your display. Then select the FPS. You can select either 60 or 30, prefer 60, either 60 or 30, prefer high resolution, or you can select 30 or either 60 only. I am selecting 60. Then click Next. Now select the service, then click Next. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.